In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer contacts between Gmail accounts. Whether you're moving to a new address or just want to keep a backup in another account, I'll walk you through the whole process from start to finish. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your contacts from one Gmail account and import them into another without losing anything important. Let's start with your first Gmail account, the one that has the contacts you want to move. Open your web browser, go to the Gmail website, and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, you won't actually manage contacts directly from here. Instead, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Contacts. That will open Google Contacts in a new tab. This is where all your saved Gmail contacts live. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account by checking the profile icon at the top right. You want to see the account that currently has all the contacts you want to transfer. Now you're ready to export. In Google Contacts, look along the left side of the screen for the export option. When you click export, a small window will pop up asking what you want to export and in which format. If you want to transfer everything, leave it set to all contacts. For the format, choose the CSV option. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a simple file type that works perfectly for moving contacts between accounts. After you've selected the CSV format, click the button to confirm the export. Your browser will then download a file to your computer. This file contains all the contact information from this Gmail account, including names, email addresses, and any other details you've saved. It's a good idea to remember where the file is saved, usually in your Downloads folder, so you can find it easily in the next step. Next, you'll switch to the second Gmail account, the one you want to move the contacts into. Open a new tab, go to Gmail again, and sign in with the other account. Just like before, once you're in the inbox, click the Google Apps icon in the top right and select Contacts from the menu. When Google Contacts opens for this second account, you should see an empty or different contact list. Now you'll bring in the contacts you exported. On the left side, look for the import option and click it. A small window will appear asking you to select a file. Click the button to choose a file, then navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saved the CSV file from earlier. Select that CSV file and confirm. Once you've chosen the file, click the Import button to start the process. Google Contacts will read the CSV file and add all of those contacts into your second Gmail account. This might take a few moments if you have a lot of entries. When it's done, you should see all your contacts listed there. You can scroll through and quickly confirm that everything looks correct. That's all you need to do. You've successfully exported your contacts from one Gmail account as a CSV file and imported them into another. Now both accounts will have access to the same set of contacts, and you're ready to start using your new inbox without leaving anyone behind.